Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a non-Steam game to Steam. So let's get started. Open up Steam, go to your library, and now there are two ways that you can do this. You can either go down here, press add game, and now you can add a non-Steam game. What this will do is, it will tell you to browse where the game is. So just select browse and just find it wherever it is. It may be on your desktop, in some kind of a folder, or wherever you have downloaded it. After you have done that, you select the game, for example this, and you just click on add selected programs. Sometimes the browse won't really work. You'll find the game, and after you have selected it, you'll see that in this it has not been selected. Now don't panic, just do it again, browse it again, and the second time you do it, it should automatically pick what you want. But yeah, after you have picked what you want to add to Steam, you just press add selected programs, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully done that. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.